Introducing the 2012 Ford Explorer. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable six-cylinder engine.
Connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission.
Reach your destination effortlessly with the GPS navigation. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Memory settings are just one of the extras. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.